So it was time for a salad from the garden. I also had some lettuce growing in my indoor grow system, but today I want to show you the dressing that I made for the salad. And so from the garden I used a scallion and a nice sprig of tarragon. This is French tarragon. And so here are the ingredients that I used. You can do a screen capture with your device, or they will also be below the video if you would like to print them out. So we'll go ahead and get started. I like to make my dressings in a wide mouth mason jar. And so in goes the olive oil along with the fresh orange juice, the salt and black pepper, the vinegar, the mustard, and the honey. The tarragon leaves and the scallion. This is the white and green part of the scallion. And I'll just give it a quick blend here until it's nice and emulsified. And into my favorite salad dressing jar. So I hope you can give this a try. I love the flavor of the tarragon and the orange. And I also hope to show you this salad here very soon. So for more salad dressing recipes, you're welcome to head on over to my playlist section, where over there I have many more recipes for you. Also, if you haven't already, please feel free to click that little bell off to the right of the subscribed button and you'll receive all notifications for my channel. Thank you so much for watching and have a beautiful day.